forwards and come round to the right. You'll see the formation change into 7 arrow. Red 6 and 7 dropping into the stem to begin the first half of the show. Leading the team, as already mentioned, is Wing Commander John Bonds. John's in his 3rd year leading the team, and it is impressive 8th season flying as a Red Arrow, and he is indeed a local boy from Essex. Just off his right wing is Flight Lieutenant Rob Thomas. Rob's a former Eurofighter Typhoon pilot and has also flown in Saudi Arabia teaching students on T-165. As the jets sweep past, the aim of the first half of the show is for all 7 aircraft to move as one. The pilots do this by listening to the commands of the team leader. As they're up in that tight left-hand turn, just on the left-hand side of the boss is Flight Lieutenant Andy McEwen. Andy's in his 2nd year with the team, is a former F-35B pilot from RAF Marham, and has also spent time on exchange with the United States Marine Corps, flying the Aviate-B Harrier II. As the jets descend down, the wings have swept back, the pilots are setting up into our nod to the iconic shape of Concorde. Red score time, execute the high speed. As the team fly past, our aircraft are approaching 40 years old. They have none of the mod cons associated with flight control systems you'd expect to find on an F-35 or a Eurofighter Typhoon. All of the changes in aerodynamic loading and G-forces will be felt and controlled by the pilots through the control column. You'll see Red 7 dropping to the back in our longest shape as they set up into Blackbird. Wherever they are in the formation, they're all taking their referencing from the team leader. Get your cameras ready as the smoke comes on for the Blackbird present. The aircraft are descending down from 3,000 feet. You can see the formation shape changing as Red 6 and 7 move out to the wings. They're nearly 300 feet apart in our widest shape for this year. As they descend down, this is the most technically challenging part of the first half of the show. They're going to execute a coordinated barrel roll with maintaining a flat wing across the formation. The iconic smoke trails left through the sky are formed in the hot exhaust gases of the Hawk. Each aircraft is capable of holding 5 minutes of white and a minute each of red and blue smoke. These are all pilot selectable inside the cockpit with 3 buttons on the control column, and it is possible to have all 3 colours on at once. The show has to be carefully choreographed to ensure that we have enough dye and fuel to conduct and complete the displays. We have an engineering support team called the dye team, whose job it is to make sure that we have the correct colours in each tank, and they take their job very seriously. As the aircraft sweep round, they're decelerating, deploying their air brakes, setting up to fly a manoeuvre not seen since 1997. This is the opportunity we had with 7 aircraft. We are able to fly coordinated rollbacks from the inside to the outside of the formation. Get your cameras ready, I'll let you enjoy the sights and sounds of rollbacks. Some of the more challenging manoeuvres to fly, the pilots have to coordinate and match the size of their rollbacks. They're also operating the aircraft close to its aerodynamic limits. The team are now setting up for my favourite part of the first half. Reds 4 and 5 are dropping off the bank. Red 4 is squadron leader Chris McCann. He's in his third and final year with the team. He's a former Tornado GR4 pilot and also flew the Hawk in the aggressor role, helping to train frontline crews. Behind him is Red 5, that's Lieutenant Dustin Wales. He's a former Eurofighter Typhoon pilot and also in his third year with the team. Get your cameras ready for Tornado. Chris smoking blue and Dusty smoking red as they come round to the right.